You want to take your ride from basic to boss status? Look no further. Today, we're hitting you with 10 beginner mods that'll make your car look like it just came out of a Fast and Furious movie. And the best part? You don't need to be a mechanic to pull it off. Host, y'all ready to turn some heads on the street? Let's get it. Now, I know some of y'all are thinking, I ain't got the skills for that. But let me tell you, modding ain't just for the pros in greasy jumpsuits. Anybody can do it, yes, even you. And no, you don't need a PhD in car science. And mods ain't all about making your car go 200 miles per hour. This isn't Need for Speed. Some mods are all about the looks, the comfort, or just making your life easier on the road. Plus, you can do it without selling your kidney. Mods don't have to drain your wallet. First on deck, the cold air intake. Think of it like your car hitting the gym. It gets more airflow to the engine, meaning more power and torque. Basically, your car's gonna flex harder. Plus the sound, chef's kiss. Trust me, you'll be looking for reasons to rev your engine at stoplights. Now, let's talk suspension. You ever take a sharp turn and feel like you're about to fall off the earth? Yeah, that's gotta go. Coilover suspension keeps you tight in the turns, making your ride smoother and more controlled. Plus, it drops your ride a bit, so you'll look lower and leaner. Hash stance life, am I right? Next up, we're getting techie with it, an ECU tune. That's just fancy talk for reprogramming your car's brain. It's like giving your car a cheat code for more horsepower and better fuel efficiency. You'll be feeling the difference without even touching the engine. You know that lame stock exhaust sound? That's gotta go. Swap it out for a performance exhaust and your car's gonna sound like it's ready to race on the track. Way more aggressive. And guess what? You'll squeeze a few more ponies out of that engine too. Bonus! Heavy wheels? Nah, we don't do that here. Swap those out for some lightweight wheels. And not only do you cut weight, but your car will accelerate quicker, handle better, and you'll look like a boss doing it. A body kit isn't just for looks, it's for the look. It'll give your car that aggressive stance, make it more aerodynamic, and people are gonna be snapping necks when you roll by. You ever drive at night and feel like your headlights are candles from the 1800s? Yeah, it's time to upgrade. LEDs not only make your ride look futuristic, but they also light up the road like a Christmas tree, keeping you safe. Don't let your car's tech game fall behind. A new infotainment system with a touchscreen Apple CarPlay and Bluetooth will make your old system look like a Nokia brick phone. Your music, maps, and calls all right there on the screen. Speed's cool and all, but if you can't stop, you're gonna have a bad time. Performance brake pads give you that extra stopping power, which means you can push your car harder and still stop on a dime. Safety first, speed second. Last but not least, engine mounts. If your car shakes like it's possessed every time you hit the gas, you need these. Engine mounts cut down vibrations, making your drive smoother than ever. But if you really want to go from zero to hero, it's all about engine remapping. This is where you get to reprogram your car's brain and unlock a whole new level of power. More speed, better throttle response, and even better fuel economy. It's like giving your car a Red Bull. That's the rundown on 10 mods that'll take your car from basic to beast mode. Which one you gonna try first? Drop a comment, hit that like button, and don't forget to subscribe. Catch you on the next one, fam.